Good morning, class second. In English grammar, our next topic is word used in place of naming words. So the word which we are using in place of instead of naming words and noun are called pronoun. Let us see the example. Here some sentences are written. A gardener is a person. A gardener look after our plants. A gardener helps the flower to blossom. A gardener helps the soft green grass to grow. A gardener makes our surrounding beautiful. So here the naming words gardener is repeating again and again. So to avoid this repetition, we can write a word instead of gardener. So if we are speaking, we are reading these sentences again and again, this will take time also, and it doesn't seem good. So instead of taking again and again gardener, we can say a gardener is a person that look after our plant. He also help. So instead of gardener, here written he also helps the flower to blossom and soft green grass to grow. For the last sentence, the gardener makes our surrounding beautiful. Again it is written he makes our surrounding beautiful. So tell me, these sentences will take more time or this much it will take more time? Which sentence will take less time? Of course the second one, because in this the sentences are merged and we are not using again and again the noun, the naming words. We are using the help other useful word as he we are using here. So this is called pronoun. He is called pronoun, and this pronoun we use to avoid repetition in the sentence. So gardener is a male person. So here we will write he, but if there is a female person, girl or woman, so we will write she, and if there is a non-living thing, then we will write it, and if there is more than 2 or 3 person and things are there, so we will write they. So pronoun we will use according to the noun, which type of noun is there, the pronoun we will use as it is. So for boy or man he, girl woman she, for non-living thing it, for one non-living, and for more than 2 or 3, if there are more than 2 or 3 things or person, we will use they. So students, open your English second copy and we will write the definition of pronoun. So firstly write today's date, lesson 2, and the lesson name words used in place of naming words, and it is also called pronoun. So firstly we will write definition of pronoun. So write it: words that are used in place of naming words are called pronoun. What? Pronoun. So some examples. What are the examples? He, she, it, they, I, we, you, us, him, her, etc. Many more are there. When you will use, then you will see. So here I have told you he is used for male, She is used for female. It is used for non-living things, or we can say animals also we can use, or a baby. Baby, for baby we used it. And they, I have told you, for more than 2 person. So come to the next exercise. So exercise is, you have to just choose the correct pronoun and write it. Sheena is a good girl. Dash does her work regularly. So Sheena is female, a girl. So we will write she. SHE. She does her homework regularly. Next is Sumit is also a good boy. Dash is, Sumit is male, a boy. So we will write here he. Instead of Sumit we will not write again and again the naming words. We are writing he or she, and this is called pronoun. He says good morning to his parents and teachers every day. Sheena and Sumit are very good friends. So here two person is there. No, doesn't matter it is female or male. We will write they always. THEY, they. Bhopal is a city of Madhya Pradesh. So Bhopal is a name of a city. It is a non-living thing, or we can write it. It is in the center of India. So students, read this chapter again and write definition, the work I have told you in copy, and this fill in the blanks in copy. After definition you have to write. Okay, and those who haven't purchased your syllabus, please purchase your syllabus fast. Thank you.